सुखस्य मूल धर्म, धर्मस्य मूल अर्थ, अर्थस्य मूल राज्य. Happiness, dharma, and governance are linked to money. Money includes both savings as well as investments. As Indians, we know how to save. Our ratios are 30% plus. But when it comes to investment, there is scope for improvement. If we look at household sector's financial allocation between FY21 and 23, where equity markets were booming, total flow into mutual fund was about 4 lakh crore, and direct equity, including bonds and debentures, was about 2 lakh crore. That's total of 6 lakh crore over 3 years, including you, me, and everyone. 9 lakh crore was invested into currency notes. While no one has ever seen money growing at home from currency notes bundle, there is a large portion of Indians which still believe that घर पे पैसा रखेंगे तो दुगना हो जाएगा. We need to shift them to be an investor. The second challenge is controlling greed of savers. 18 crore people traded in crypto and 99.99% would have lost money. NFT traders, we don't even know. Ponzi schemes, more than 2.5 crore Indians would have lost close to 2 lakh crore in Ponzi schemes. And even today, there are fraudsters luring investors with guaranteed return and taking away their precious savings. How do we create mechanisms so that these greedy savers are protected and converted to be an investor? And please remember, education is not necessarily the solution for greed. India's highest educated state, Kerala, spends more money on lottery than what they are investing in stock market for generations. So education is not necessarily the paneka for investment. There is a need for wisdom so that greedy savers can be protected and guided towards investment. Everyone wants to create inclusive growth. As a society, that should be our aim. But how do we make Indians wealthy? As per RBI's data of FY21, FY23, household sector allocation on financial assets, 93% investment went into assets which were generating either low real return or negative real return. Only 7% investment went into assets which were producing real rate of return. Can you survive if you use your lung capacity only to the extent of 7%? We Indians have been doing that for generations. Our savings allocation is towards negative real return assets or marginally positive real return assets, especially at the bottom end of pyramid. How do I move them so that they can become financially literate? And one final point, many of us would have started investing in public provident fund account. I also started my career by investing in PPF. Over 25 years, if you had kept on putting 12,500 rupee every month in PPF, after 25 years, you would have invested 37.5 lakh rupee in PPF account. It would have grown to about 1.07 crore tax-free. The same money invested in equity-linked savings scheme of an average mutual fund would have grown to become 4.4 crore taxable. Remove 12.5% taxation The gap is 3 crore on an investment of 37.5 lakh rupee over a 25-year period. How many Indians have 3 crore savings? Just one decision, and that makes such a big difference. I think in order to create an inclusive society, in order to create a prosperous society, we need to ensure that our savers become financially literate. They follow the dharma of asset allocation. They don't get driven by greed. And hopefully as a society, if we can achieve that, that will ensure our happiness, dharma, and governance continues to prosper.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.